Imagine having hiccups for 68 years. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne. Charles, an American farmer, started hiccuping in 1922 after an accident with a pig. Doctors believe it was due to a burst blood vessel in his brain that disrupted his hiccup reflex. On average, he hiccuped 40 times per minute. That's over 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. Yet Charles never let it slow him down. He lived a full life, had kids, and even worked. The hiccups mysteriously stopped in 1990, just 1 year before his passing, a true example of resilience. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping stories like this.